Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that is meant to make you a better home cook. Now, today I'm going to show you a simple recipe of making minced meat for samosa. For me, the main ingredient would be the onion. I also have some garlic, some coriander. I have some spring onions, though this is optional, but I would say my secret ingredients when I'm making minced meat for samosa is the cumin seeds. Cumin powder is good, but I'll be honest, this will give you a better result if you can get. I also have my minced meat, and for my minced meat, I have both lean minced meat and the one with the fat. No, we usually have two types of minced meat, the one with fatty one and less fatty one. So I've actually put both of them. So I have everything ready. Now it's going to the stove to cook the meat. So the cooking part is make sure you have your hot pan or pot. To the pan I'll add some oil, not too much. This is my trick now, how I usually do it. I want the pan to be very hot. I place my meat into the very hot pan and then it will start browning. I do not want the meat to start stewing. I don't want it to start producing the water that it does when you start it with a cold pan. While the fire is still on high, start breaking the mincemeat like this. Yeah, so all my lumps are done. And now I'll add my onion. I'll also add my spring onion and the red onion. Coriander I'll add in the last part, and then the cumin seeds. And stir. Now I want to give time for the onion to cook a little bit more, become soft and slightly browned. So you leave it still on very high heat. If you wanted to add some chilies, you can also add them at this stage, and some salt. So the idea is to brown it, like now you can see it's nicely browned. You want high heat, that is I think the most important thing. The onion is soft, it's cooked, it's soft, and then now when it's fully cooked in terms of the browning, that's when you'll add your coriander. Turn off the heat and then add your coriander, because remember this is meat that we say that you're going to use it in samosa. I usually like adding coriander at the very last moment so that we allow it to cook, to cool. That's it. So meat is cooked. If I taste it, if you taste the salt is enough. Like I said, chili is optional. And now for this meat, what I like about this meat, you can, like we say, we are cooking it for samosa, you can always use it for something else. For example, if you add a little bit of tomato paste or chopped tomato to this and let it continue stewing, it can be a nice tasty mincemeat stew. So that's today's recipe. I hope you've enjoyed and you've learned something. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be updated whenever I have a new recipe. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.